So let's go over a very important acupuncture point called Triple Energizer 17. This is for temporomandibular dysfunction, jaw pain, and actually neck stiffness too. So let's get into the location. So first let's get into the location of Triple Energizer 17. It's located in the depression behind the earlobe between the mandible and the mastoid process. Just open your mouth there. So I'm going to go underneath the earlobe, right in between there. Bring your head back, and I'm going to get on both sides at the same time. Open your mouth again. Right there. Feel that quite a bit, don't you?
Yes.
All right. Try not to go too hard in there. It's a really interesting point. Triple Energizer stands for, well, it's actually also known as triple burner or triple warmer in traditional Chinese medicine. It is one of the prime meridians, of the 12 of them, responsible for regulating the body's metabolism and the function of various organs and tissues. Well, this particular point, Triple Energizer 17, is regarded for its effectiveness in treating ear and jaw problems and alleviating symptoms related to the ear and auditory system. So in terms of MSK conditions, we could use this to alleviate jaw pain, temporomandibular dysfunction, and neck stiffness, and to improve overall function of the jaw and neck. It's also used in traditional Chinese medicine for treating tinnitus, ear infections, and facial paralysis. Well, we're going to avoid getting into the realm of infections. We're going to leave that to the medical community, but we'll definitely use it and utilize it for musculoskeletal problems. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that easing off at all or not?
Yeah, the right side for sure.
Okay. That's still pretty intense?
Yeah.
So we're going to go clockwise, counterclockwise, and we're just going to kind of get in there and move through the area a bit. Doing okay there?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of an interesting thing when you get on to this point here. They also, in traditional Chinese medicine, speak about dispersed wind and clear heat. And this can get very confusing when they use these metaphors. So if we're talking about dispersed wind, the term is often used to describe, basically in Western terms, it could be getting rid of muscle spasms, tremors, convulsions, or other symptoms of sudden onset. And those would be things like headaches and dizziness. Whereas clear heat, this refers to symptoms that are associated with inflammation. So even though they may sound quite different, and you wonder what's this all about, there's some correlations there. You can see they start talking about swelling, inflammation, and the acuteness of the condition. Again, we would treat this area for somewhere between 30 seconds to 3 minutes. This is Triple Energizer 17.